Hello everybody, M3HDI here, and I'm bringing you another Battle Kingdom progress report. And this time, as you can see before you, you can now select which character you want, and not only that, you can select which stage you want. And then there's always the random, if you're so inclined. We can access not only the first stage, but we can also access the second stage, which right you can see right here, and even the third stage, which I've added. Another thing you might notice is that in the top left and top right corners, there are these bars, you might say, and those will be the health bars. Each character, as you might have noticed, has a different colored health bar. The barbarian or dwarf has the orange one. The crusader has the gray one. The mage has the blue one. And then we have the elf, which has the green one, which you've seen. The archer, which has the red one. And then we have finally the rogue, which has the brown one. If you probably have been hearing the clacking of my controller in the background. There's been a lot of work I've been doing on the just overall cleanup on the code of working on the controller and keyboard inputs. It's not really something you can see directly, but it's just cleaning it up so that it'll be easier to access other, or let's just say use other buttons later on. The way I had it set up before had a slightly more complicated, or I guess I should say less complicated, but it's more of just this way. It's kind of like a new engine almost, but it does the same thing as the last set of code, but the new code that I've added now allows us to access or utilize our controller capabilities better, I guess you could say. You might also notice that there is a second health bar, and in every room I go to, it's always orange, which is the color for the barbarian and the slash dwarf, and that's because I am working on a second, making a 2-player available. 4-player, I think I might not be able to. That might be, if I try 4-player, I might be taking more than I can, biting more than I can chew, I think the phrase is. But yeah, this is pretty much all I've been getting done. A lot of it's been just behind the scenes work, but I'd like to thank you all for watching, and see you in a little bit. Bye.